parrots are from the family of Parrotidae.
These birds are easily recognized by their bright blue, yellow, scarlet, and green feathers. The male's tails are longer than the females.
Their tails are known as wise of streamers.
Birds of paradise live in eastern Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and eastern Australia. The diet of these birds are fruit and arthropods. The natural dispersion and illegal hunting make Cendrawasih an endangered species.
Their reproduction cycle also makes the preservation difficult as they only produce one until two eggs.